Once a millionaire was asked that if your everything, your house, your cars, your money, your company, everything was taken away from you, then what will you do? He replied very smoothly, I will earn it again. Everyone was shocked to hear this. Then again he was asked that when your everything is taken from you, when you have nothing left, then how will you become a millionaire again? Then again he replied, to become a millionaire, it is not necessary that you should already have a lot. If you want, then you can become a millionaire by starting from zero. Whatever God has given you is enough for you. And you can do any work, you can be anything, and you can achieve anything in this world by using that. And if you think that God has not given you anything, then you are wrong. Because if you are alive, you are breathing, you have life in your body, that is enough to achieve anything. Even if you are physically disabled, you can do anything. And the biggest example of this is one of the greatest scientists ever, Stephen Hawking, who was suffering from motor neuron disease, whose whole body was paralyzed. Even in this condition, he used his cheek muscles and brain only and became the greatest scientist of all time. Now you tell me that when a person can become such a great scientist even after having such a dangerous disease, even after being paralyzed just by using his cheek muscles, then why don't you? You are physically fit. Do you still feel that God has not given you anything? If you have 2 hands and 2 legs, if you have life in your body, if you are not mentally disabled, that's enough. Then if you want, you can become a millionaire by starting from zero. You don't need anything more than this. This video is for those who always keep thinking of doing something big, but every time they give some excuse, sometimes of situation, sometimes of conditions, sometimes of money, and sometimes of opportunities. I want to tell all those people that you don't need any of these things, and you already have that what you need. Your body, mind, and time. God has given these things equally to every human being. You also have 2 hands and 2 legs, and I also have. You also have a mind, and I also have. You also have 24 hours in a day, and I also have 24 hours. Now it depends on you how you use your body, mindset, and time. And believe me, once you learn how to use them properly, then you can do anything by starting from zero. If you want, then you can become a millionaire or even a billionaire. Just your mindset should be clear, and you should know when to do and what to do. Many people waste their priceless time in useless works. They don't even know when to do which work. And if you are also one of them, then please comment below. I will definitely make a detailed video on time management for you. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for such motivating and self-improving videos. And lastly, I just want to say that be the only one or the best one.